Hey guys, Susie here. Thanks so much for tuning in today. And today I'm doing kind of a different kind of video. Haven't done one of these before, and I kind of want to do more of them on my channel. I kind of talked about that in a video I made like a while back. I said I want to do more eat with me videos. It's something that I really enjoy watching, and I thought it'd be really fun to do some of those. And today's eat with me is going to be a very ratchet eat with me because yeah, this is basically my meal between lunch and dinner. Normally me and my husband eat our dinner about this time, so it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we eat dinner pretty early because we go to sleep pretty early. We go to sleep at like 9:30 because we wake up very early. We wake up at like 4 in the morning to go to get ready for work, so we eat dinner pretty early. And yeah, he's not really hungry because it's super hot here today. It's about 95, very humid, and just a really bad air quality day, so everybody's not feeling very well. A lot of allergies and stuff going on, so he's just not in the mood to eat anything right now. But I am kind of hungry, so I just kind of whipped up a little bit of something just to kind of hold me over till later. So I made a sandwich, and literally the only thing on this sandwich is 4 slices of turkey and some mustard. Yeah, that's all that's on there. This is just some sour cheddar cream wavy ruffles that my husband took for lunch and didn't eat all of them in the bag. So I'm just going to nibble on some of those, and then just got a cup of water. So definitely the most ratchet eat with me that I'm probably ever going to watch. But yeah, so if you guys aren't familiar, and eat with me is just kind of what it sounds like. Just have some food, and you guys can join me if you want to. And I like to kind of talk about some things, tell you guys about some things while we're eating together, and just let you guys know kind of what's been going on. So first of all, I'm sure a lot of you guys are like, Susie, you haven't had a video up in a while, and that's actually because I was not in town. Oh, this is honey smoked boar's head turkey breast. We usually only get boar's head lunch meat at Kroger's because my husband loves boar's head, and for good reason. I mean, I do think boar's head is like the best meat. It is the most expensive, but it is really good. So this is really good. It's gonna hold me over. I love mustard. I love mustard so much. So anyways, we actually went on vacation September 6th through 10th, and we went to St. Petersburg, Florida, and it was amazing. It was the time of my life. It was seriously probably the best vacation I've ever had. I loved it. I loved it. It was really, really awesome. And it was a real blessing to be able to go on that trip, because we have not went on a vacation in like 4 years. Last time we went on vacation was when we went to Las Vegas to get married, and we were only there for like 3 days. Actually, I think 2 days. We spent 3 days total, I think, but the first day we got there and we just, I don't know, we just hung around the hotel, I think, and then the second day was our wedding, and then the third day we went out, and then we left that next day. So I guess it was 4 days technically that we were like around, like on a trip, but we were only in Vegas for 3 days. And that was a really fun vacation, but this was a really life-changing vacation. I'd never really been to a beach before. I've never seen golf. I've never been to Florida. So it was my first time for all 3 of those things. And it was amazing. I mean, I can see why people want to live there because it was amazing. So we did a whole bunch of fun stuff there. We went on a dolphin cruise. We did some shopping. We went to a really fun area called John's Pass. We met up with friends. One of our friends that we hadn't seen in like 14 years. We literally only talk online, so it was amazing to get to see her. We had a rental car, so we could just drive wherever we wanted to go. I went into the beach. It was amazing. Now, however, the red tide is kind of moving up the coast, so I'm really glad that we went when we did, because if we would have went slightly later, we wouldn't be able to go to the beach because a lot of the fish and stuff are washing up from the red tide. It's really sad because it's such a beautiful beach, and to think of it just being harmed by this algae or whatever it is. It's really depressing, but what can you do? So we were there for 4 days, and I mean, it was just amazing. And I literally I have never been so sad to leave a place in my life. I literally felt like I was gonna cry when we were leaving. I really did. I loved the vibe there. I just loved everything about it. I loved the beach. I loved the water and the fish and the boats, and I just loved the area. It was such a beautiful area. I mean, I can't even speak highly enough about how amazing that area is and how much I loved it. And we loved it because there was so much food there, like, that we had never had before, and so many seafood restaurants. And it was just amazing. So when we got back, so for the longest time, me and my husband have been wanting to move somewhere out of state because we don't like where we live right now. Neither of us are from this state. Since pretty much everybody knows, we live in Kentucky, and I don't like Kentucky. I never really liked it here. I moved here from Chicago when I was a kid, and moved here with my parents, and I've been living here since I was like in the 4th grade, and I just never cared for it really. I always kind of missed Chicago. I mean, my husband is a military baby, but he was born in Saudi Arabia and then grew up in New Jersey pretty much most of his childhood life. And moved here with his dad, and so he's lived here for a while too, but neither of us really like it here, and we want to move. And we'd been debating kind of some different areas we wanted to move, and finally we just kind of decided that we want to move to Florida. We just loved it there. The weather is great. I mean, other than in the summer, it is quite rainy. I mean, you get these like monsoon rains for like an hour sometimes. And there is hurricanes occasionally. But overall, we don't want to live on the water either. It's like being near the water is a little bit too dangerous. So we want to live a little further inland, but we've been looking at like an area on the computer, looking at houses. Everything's so far pretty affordable. Insurance will probably be a little bit more expensive, and I think car insurance is slightly more expensive too. But other than that, they don't have any sales tax, or they don't have any state tax, not sales tax. There are a lot of benefits to living there, so And my parents also have been talking about moving there, so that kind of makes me want to move there even more. But we finally decided that we're going to try to work on it, and probably here in maybe like a couple of years we can move out that way, because we do still have a bit to do here in our house before we can really sell it. And so anyway, that's exciting, right? If I'm moving around, it's because I'm sitting on my knees and it's starting to make my knees hurt. But that's where I've been. I was in Florida and I was having the time of my life, and I didn't want to vlog. I didn't want to be on social media too much. I just literally had a really great time and I loved it. So I'll be going back permanently here soon. I'm not going to miss where I live now at all. I mean, I'm really over it. It's a very small town here, and but anyways, so about my channel, I'm going to resume my videos, and I think once I do move, I'll be having some really neat content on my channel, because there'll be so much more stuff to do. Literally, I have nothing to vlog here because there's nothing to do. It's very boring. It's a very boring town to me. So that's why I usually don't vlog very much. There's not much to do. But out there will be, so that'll be kind of fun and exciting. But anyways, about my channel, I'll be resuming more filming, and I think tomorrow I'll be going to Dollar Tree. I was wanting to go today, but probably be going tomorrow to Dollar Tree. So I will be posting a Dollar Tree haul. I have quite a lot of stuff I need to get, so it might be a pretty big haul. So my next video after this video will probably be a Dollar Tree haul. And then I think I may also be going to Costco this weekend, possibly, because I have a lot of things I need to get at Costco as well, and I'm kind of torn between going to the grocery and going to Costco, because Costco is more expensive, but you get a lot more stuff for your money. So I think I may get a few things at Costco and then get the rest of the things at like Kroger's or a grocery store here. So I'll probably be doing that. We have a few plans this weekend coming up, but nothing like crazy super busy or anything. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing more videos. It's just I want to let you guys know why I was on like a little hiatus. It's because I was having a really good time and I was on vacation, and when we got back I just was, I don't know, I just couldn't, I was in this like post-vacation funk. Like I just was so depressed to be back and to be away from there. I mean, I wouldn't even care to work there. Like I wouldn't care to live over there and work and whatever, just to be in a different place and to have a change of scenery, to experience new places and things and food. And oh, let me tell you guys, the seafood out there was like, I can't say enough about it. So good. So good. And they also are opening a new Ulta store here where I live in the mall, so I may go check that out, possibly see what's going on in there and see, maybe I'll pick something up. So if I do, I might do a little haul. But yeah, so I don't want this video to get too long. I'm almost done eating this sandwich. I just got a little bit of it. It's definitely not like the best sandwich I've ever had, but it's doing the job. It's making me feel less hungry, so I'll eat this, and then later on when my husband's more hungry and has cooled off and everything because he's a welder, so he's always hot at work all the time. I'll probably need something again then, but so yeah, until we have a change of scenery, I'm just saving some money up. My husband's saving some money up, and when it gets closer to the time, we'll go ahead and start, you know, preparing for the move. But it's going to be a while. It's going to be a couple years at least. We just have a lot to do in this house to get our value for the house, and we just don't have that much money to do it all at once, so it's going to be a little while. But I love having a plan. Like, I've got a plan. I know where I'm going. Makes me happy. So anyways, I guess I'm going to get up off this video. Just wanted to post and let you guys know kind of where I've been and what's been going on, and let you know that there will be some videos coming up very soon in the future. I mean, I do want to do hauls, and I do want to do more thrifting videos, but if there's something you guys want to see more of, or if you want to see like advice videos or chatty videos or get ready with me videos, just let me know in the comments. I just like getting y'all's ideas. I just want to make videos that y'all want to see, and recipe videos are kind of hard for me because the video quality in my kitchen for filming recipes is pretty terrible. I have better lighting, but it's just not very good. And to be honest with you guys, I'm not very proud of my kitchen. It is one of the worst looking spots in our house because it's just very outdated, and I just don't like cooking in there. I film videos in there sometimes, but I'm just not proud of it, and I don't care to really film in there. So that's why I haven't really been doing any recipe videos, but if you guys really want to see them, I'll try to go ahead and get some up. But that's kind of the reason why, and just because I don't really like my kitchen. I'd be glad to be in a different house one of these days. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and I'm just gonna finish up this last bite of this sandwich. Probably won't eat any more of these chips because I've already ate cheese today, and I don't want to overdo it on the cheese. But I will see you guys in my next video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later.